So lagi ko sinasabi, di ba? Mahalaga ang sales, pero mas mahalaga yung tinatawag na after sales. Kasi hindi lalaki yung negosyo mo kung hindi bumibili ulit yung customers mo. Kasi imagine, mag-generate ka ng leads, mag-e-effort ka para ma-convert, bibigyan mo ng magandang offer, hindi na bumalik, para kang nagtatanim ng munggo. May leads ka, may bumili. May leads ka, may bumili. And you will feel stuck. Paulit-ulit lang yung mangyayari. Laging grabe yung effort na kailangan mong ibigay. Versus may leads ka, na-convert mo, maganda yung offer mo, nakapag-build ka ng tamang relationship. What will happen? They will stay. So, ang mangyayari, yung susunod na leads na mako-convert mo, additional client. So, ang nangyayari ngayon, dumadami yung tinatawag na loyal clients mo. And these loyal clients will buy over and over. So, every time na madadagdagan yung leads mo, lumalaki yung negosyo mo. Kasi yung customers mo, hindi na umaalis sa'yo. Paulit-ulit silang bumabalik. And this is literally how you expand and scale your business.